2 onto the Fiesta. Obviously the disc stereo removal applies to your older Focus, Mondeo and various other ones as well. These are the keys that you're going to use. You'll need 4 of them in total, because once these keys go into the unit and engage properly, they're locked in there until you release the stereo and manually release them from placing them on the side. If you don't do that, ripping them out will bend the pins and will damage the stereo and cause you all sorts of grief in terms of getting them out. Each key is inserted with the curved edge inwards, okay? Sometimes if you give them a little wiggle to get them through, it won't do them any harm, it's just helping you move the pin aside. Once you've got all 4 pins engaged, grab them with your fingers, pull them outwards, lift the stereo out. To remove your pins, these silver tabs here, push those inwards and then your keys will come straight out again. Do that for all 4 pins. Once you've got them removed, again same procedure as the Focus. Push that tab down and lift up to release your quad lock. Again, if you've got that white block already in there, then the wiring's pre-installed. If not, as mentioned before, you'll need to buy the full kit to install. Slightly different with these is when you're routing the wires with this, it goes direct from the stereo and down through into the plastic casing that surrounds the gear knob itself. And we'll show you where that one will be pre-located. Pull your gear gaiter down, unscrew your gear knob, take the whole thing off. Obviously this one's connected, so you want to disconnect your cigarette lighter. Obviously this one's got the MP3 already on. When it's not attached, it's usually stored down the left hand side down there. It might be taped up to that loom, so all you need to do is cut it free. And like I say, if it's already pre-installed, all you need is the 3.5mm jack plug connection. That's where it goes on the top. Again, same as the Focus, once you've got it out, there will be a mark, a circular mark in there, which is pre-marked out for you. And again, what you need to do is use the 20mm hole saw, cut that through, from the front through to the back. Again, so that any excess plastic you've got there, you can shave it off with a razor blade, and any extra marks that you make won't affect the final product where you've got that. And also, once you've done your 20mm hole, don't forget to use your finger file to make that final indentation at the bottom so that everything locks into place. If everything's correct, when you push it through and it locks into place, you should get a little click to know it's in exactly the right position. And it's just a case of reinstalling everything, putting it back on, and connecting up your auxiliary plug and your lighter. Once it's all in place, everything just pushes back into place and locks firm. Replace everything and that's job done.